Review of effective products to treat dark circles under eyes. Dark circles under the eyes are a common concern for many people, and there are a variety of products on the market that claim to help reduce their appearance. In this guide, we will review some of the most effective products for treating dark circles under the eyes. Caffeine eye creams. Caffeine is a popular ingredient in eye creams because it can help to reduce puffiness and dark circles by constricting blood vessels. Look for eye creams that contain caffeine, as well as other ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which can help to brighten the under eye area and improve skin texture. Vitamin K eye creams. Vitamin K is a nutrient that is essential for helping the blood to clot, and it is also believed to help reduce the appearance of dark circles under the eyes. Look for eye creams that contain vitamin K, as well as other ingredients like retinol and peptides, which can help to stimulate collagen production and improve skin elasticity. Retinol eye creams. Retinol is a form of vitamin A that is commonly used in skincare products to help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles. Look for eye creams that contain retinol, as well as other ingredients like ceramides and antioxidants, which can help to improve skin texture and protect the delicate skin around the eyes. Eye masks. Eye masks are a quick and easy way to reduce the appearance of dark circles under the eyes. Look for masks that contain ingredients like caffeine, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, which can help to brighten the under eye area and improve skin texture. Apply the mask to your under eye area and leave it on for the recommended amount of time, usually 10 to 20 minutes. Color correcting concealers. Color correcting concealers are a makeup product that can help to neutralize the appearance of dark circles under the eyes. Look for concealers that have a peach or orange undertone, which can help to counteract the blue or purple tones of dark circles. Apply the concealer using a small brush or your finger, and be sure to blend it well for a natural-looking finish. In conclusion, there are a variety of products available for treating dark circles under the eyes, including caffeine eye creams, vitamin K eye creams, retinol eye creams, eye masks, and color-correcting concealers. Experiment with different products to find the one that works best for you, and be sure to stay hydrated, get plenty of sleep, and protect your skin from sun damage to help prevent dark circles from forming in the first place. Dark under eye circles can be caused by aging, allergies, genetics, lack of sleep, or sun damage. There are many products aimed at reducing the appearance of under eye circles and brightening the eye area. OTC creams, gels, serums, patches, and masks contain brightening ingredients like vitamin C, retinol, hyaluronic acid, caffeine, vitamin E, and licorice extract to help fade dark circles and brighten skin. Lightening creams and gels typically contain hydroquinone, kojic acid, azelaic acid, licorice extract, or vitamin C. Hydroquinone helps inhibit melanin production and fade dark circles over several weeks of consistent use. Look for a 2% hydroquinone cream for under eye use. Azelaic acid helps improve skin tone and brighten under the eyes, while licorice extract reduces inflammation and lightens pigmentation. Targeted eye creams and gel cream hybrids provide intensive hydration and brightening benefits for the sensitive under eye area. Popular brands include Clinique All About Eyes,